Solve a question on break-even level of output. The question is like this: total cost function and total revenue function are being given for a firm as Rx is equal to minus x square plus 150x is the total revenue of the firm, where x denotes the output, and cost of this very firm is being given as 20x plus 4000. What will be break-even level of output? We have to find out the break-even level of output. Okay, what is break-even level of output? uh, Break-even level of output is simply a point where our total revenue is equal to total cost. Okay, so what is our total revenue? Minus x square plus 150 x should be equal to total cost. Our total cost function is 20x plus 4000. Okay, so when we solve this for x, we will get the level of output. Okay, so we have minus x square plus 150 x. Transposing this term here, this will become negative 20x, and this will also become negative 4000, and let us set it equal to 0. So we get minus x square. 150 minus 20x comes out to be, we have 130x. Okay, 130x minus 4000 is equal to 0. Okay, let's multiply it by minus 1 to make this first term positive. Okay, so multiplying by both sides by minus 1, so this becomes minus into minus is plus. We get x square minus 130x plus 4000 is equal to 0. This is our quadratic function, and we can solve it by using quadratic formula, or separating the middle term. We can separate the middle term. We should have two numbers. We should get the two numbers in such a way that their add should be equal to, their sum should be equal to minus 130, and the same numbers should lead us the product of 4000. Okay, it is simple. Either you use the discriminant method or simply factor this out. Okay, if I write here, so let's concentrate on this 13 and 40 here. Okay, so 8 गई 14, 8 5 गई 8 25 40. So we can, if I write here 50, here I write 80, and this is minus, this is also negative, so minus 50 minus 80 comes out to be minus 130, and similarly minus 50 into minus 80, so 5 8s are 40, so we get these two zeros, minus minus is plus. I guess we got the two numbers here, so I can write it like this: x square minus, in place of minus 130x, I can write 50x minus 80x. Okay, minus 50x minus 80x comes out to be minus 130x, plus in place of 4000 I can write it like this: minus 50 into minus 80. Okay, and is equal to 0, because minus minus is plus. 50 into 80 is 4000. Okay, so let's take the factors common. So we get here x is common. We are left with x minus 50, x minus 50. Then we take minus 80 common in last two terms, so we get minus 80. If I take it common, so I get x minus 50, x minus 50. So we got x minus 50, x minus 50 is common, and we set it equal to 0 obviously, so x minus 50 and we get x minus 80 is equal to 0. That means either x minus 50 is equal to 0, or x minus 80 is equal to 0. If this is 0, that means x is equal to, transposing this here, we get as 50. Similarly, or x, if I transpose this minus 80, it will become plus here, so we get here 80. So we got two values for x. Okay, that means the level of output where we get break-even point will be 50 and 80. I guess option A should be correct, 50 and 80. And graphically, what does this mean? So I will not be able to show the exact, but we have a revenue function here. Let us say we have quantity on this axis, we have total revenue and total cost on this vertical axis. So our total revenue will look like like this. Okay, let us say this is our total revenue because this is quadratic type. So this is our total revenue, and our total cost function is 20x plus 4x. So if this is our total cost function, okay, let us say this is our total cost function. Break even level of output occurs at 2 pointers when x is equal to 50, okay, and because we got two values for x, so total revenue and total costs are equal at 2 pointers when x is equal to 50 and when x is equal to 80. Okay, I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.